Welcome. Today we are going to discuss about the distance of a point from a line. So this is lecture number 4. So distance of a point from a line. Say ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a line and px1 y1 is a point. This line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 cut axis at point A and B. So ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we can reduce this equation in intercept form. Then we can write it as x minus c by a plus y minus c by b equal to 1. So OA equal to minus c by a means x intercept equal to minus c by a, and y intercept means OB is equal to minus c by b. So the coordinate of this point A is minus c by a 0, and coordinate of this point B is 0 minus c by b. The distance of AB is equal to, by using distance formula, minus c by a plus 0 whole square plus 0, this is minus plus c by b whole square. So this is c square by a square plus c square by b square is equal to mod c by ab square root of a square plus b square. So ab is equal to mod c by ab into square root of a square plus b square. Now in this figure, draw Pn perpendicular to given line, that is Pn perpendicular to AB, and say the length of this perpendicular Pn equal to d. So let the length of this Pn equal to d. So area of this triangle PAB, area of this triangle PAB is equal to half into AB into PN. So area of triangle PAB is equal to half into AB into PN. It means half into C by AB A square square root of A square plus B square into D. Area of triangle PAB can be found in this way, and we can also find area of triangle by using vertices of this triangle PAB. When you use this vertices of triangle PAB, so again we have area of triangle PAB is equal to half into mod x1 and 0 plus C by B plus minus C by A within bracket minus C by B minus y1 plus 0 y1 minus 0 is equal to half mod Cx1 by B minus minus plus C square by AB and minus minus plus Cy1 by A, and this is 0. When we simplify it, we will get area of triangle PAB is equal to 1 by 2 C by mod AB and AX1 plus BY1 plus C. Say this is second. So from 1 and 2, half into mod AB, C by AB, square root of A square plus B square into D is equal to half mod C by AB mod AX1 plus BY1 plus C. So half half cancel, C by AB cancel. So D is equal to mod AX1 plus BY1 plus C by square root of A square plus B square. So in this way we can find distance of any point from the line, distance between two parallel lines. So here we have two lines, AX plus BY plus C1 equal to 0 and AX plus BY plus C2 equal to 0. So these two lines, AX plus BY plus C1 equal to 0 and AX plus BY plus C2 equal to 0 are parallel line, because when you find slope of these two lines, you will get slope of first line is minus A by B and slope of second line is also minus A by B. So slope of these two lines are equal, so these two lines are parallel lines. So this is line 1 and this is line 2. So put x equal to 0 in 1. So we will get by plus C1 equal to 0 implies y equal to minus C1 by P. It means this point P, so we have a point P0 minus C1 by B on the line 1. It means this line intersects the y-axis at this point. Now, find the distance of this point P from the second line. So, distance of P on 1 from line 2. So, say this distance is D. The distance of this point P from the line 2 is T. So, D is equal to, by using the formula, D is equal to mod A into 0 plus B into minus C1 by B plus C2 by square root of A square plus B square. So, D is equal to mod minus C1 plus C2 by root under A square plus B square. Hence, we can write it as C2 minus C1 by square root of A square plus B square. And this D is nothing but the distance between these two parallel lines. So, we can find distance between any two parallel lines by using this formula. Now, let us take some example based on these two concepts. So, find the distance of the point minus 2, 3 from the line 12x minus 5y equal to 2. So, minus 2, 3, so this is point minus 2, 3. And 12x minus 5y equal to 2. We have to find the distance of this point. Distance is, say this line is 12x minus 5y equal to 2. So, this line will be, if you try to draw this line roughly, so put x equal to 0 will give y equal to minus 2 by 5. So, say this point is like minus 2 by 5, so this point is here, minus 2 by 5, so this point is somehow here, and put y equal to 0 implies x equal to 6. So, x equal to 1 by 6, 1 by 6. So, this point is 1 by 6 means say this point is something here. So, line is passing like this. So, we have to find distance of this point from this line, means this D. So, use formula D is equal to AX1 plus BY1 plus C by square root of a square plus b square. Here a is equal to, here a is equal to 12 and b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 2 and x1 is equal to minus 2 and y1 is equal to 3. So now put this value on the equation, on the formula d is equal to mod 12 into minus 2 plus minus 5 into 3 and minus 2 by square root of 12 square plus minus 5 square. So this is 20 minus 24 minus 15 and minus 2 by 144 plus 25 means 169. So this is 24 and 39, 41. This is 41 by 13 units. So this is the distance of this point minus 2, 3 from this line, 12x minus 5y equal to 2. In this way we can use this formula. Now we have another example. Find the distance between the line 3x plus 4y equal to 9 and 6x plus 8y equal to 15. So given line, three x plus 4y equal to 9 and so 3x plus 4y minus 9 equal to 0. Another line is 6x plus 8y equal to 15. We can write this line as, take 2 common, 3x plus 4y equal to 15. So 3x plus 4y minus 15 by 2 equal to 0. This minus 9, this is C1 and this minus 15 by 2 is C2. So distance between two parallel, these two lines are parallel line because 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y. So its slope is equal. So these two lines are parallel when coefficient of x and y in both equation are equal, then that two line will be parallel line. So here C1 equal to minus 9 and C2 equal to minus 15 by 2. So we know that distance between two parallel line is mod C2 minus C1. You can write mod C1 minus C2, no problem. Root under a square plus b square. So this is minus 15 by 2 and minus 9, minus minus plus 9 modulus by square root of a square. A square means 3 square. 3 square, you can write it again, mod minus 15 by 2 plus 9 by square root of 3 square plus 4 square. So d is equal to mod minus 15 plus 18 by 2 and this is square root of 25. So This is 3 by 2 by 5 means 3 by 10 units. So this is the distance between two parallel lines. In this way we can find distance between any two parallel lines. Now another problem, good problem. If the equation of the base of an equilateral triangle is x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Say this equation x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the equation of base BC. And the opposite vertex is the point minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. So A is the opposite vertex of this base B. Then find the area of triangle means ABC. Since this is equilateral triangle, so this angle is, every angle is 60 degree. Draw a perpendicular from this A to this base B, say this is this AN, and the length of this altitude or perpendicular is D, and this point is, and say the side of this equilateral triangle is A. Find the relation between these two D and A. In triangle, ABN, angle B and A is equal to 90 degree. So sin 60 degree is equal to P by H, means sin 60 degree equal to D by A, and sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2 equal to D by A. This implies D is equal to root 3 by 2 A. So this is the relation between this A and D. We have to find the area of this triangle. So to find area of this triangle, so find the equation of this AN. Equation of this AN. So slope of BC is equal to minus 1. Slope of AN is equal to 1 because AN perpendicular to BC. So equation of AN means equation of this AN whose slope is 1 and passing through minus 1 is y plus 1 equal to 1 x plus 1. So is equal to x minus y equal to 0. X minus y equal to 0. So this is equation x minus y equal to 0. So this is equation 2 and D equal to root 3 by 2a. So this is 1. And solve this equation 2 with given equation x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is equation 3. So from second and third, so y equal to x. So x plus x equal to 6. This implies x equal to 3. X equal to 3 and so y equal to also 3. So distance between 2 points, so an equal to square root of 3 plus 1 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square is equal to 4 square plus 4 square means 4 root 2. Now in this triangle, D is equal to what? D is equal to 4 root 2. D is equal to root 3 by 2a from 1 implies 4 root 2 equal to root 3 by 2a. This implies a is equal to 8 root 2 by root 3. So area of triangle ABC and ABC is equilateral triangle. So root 3 by 4 a square means root 3 by 4 8 root 2 by root 3 whole square. So this is root 3 by 4 into 64 into 2 by 3. So 32 root 3 by 3 square unit. So in this way we can find the area of this triangle ABC. We can also find the distance of this or D by using distance formula. Now let us try by using distance formula. So we have given in this triangle ABC A is equal to -1, and since this triangle ABC is equilateral triangle, so this is 60 degree, and equation of this BC is given x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, and draw this perpendicular. Say this is AN and the length of this perpendicular is D, and the side of this equilateral triangle is A. So D is equal to, by using distance formula, mod -1 minus 6 by S1 square plus 1 square. So this is mod -8 by root 2 is equal to 8 by root 2, or we can write it as 8 root 2 by 2. So this is the distance of or length of this perpendicular D. And in triangle ABN, because n is 90 degree, so sine 60 degree. Rest we can do like this. Sine 60 degree equal to d by a. So sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2 and 8 root 2 by 2 a. So this is a root 3 equal to 8 root 2. So a is equal to 8 root 2 by root 3. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into A into D is equal to half into A means 8 root 2 by root 3 and D means 8 root 2 by 2. This is 16 root 2 by root 3 square unit. Another problem. If PQ are the length of perpendiculars from the origin to the lines x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to k cos 2 theta and x sec theta plus y cos sec theta equal to k, respectively prove that p square plus 4q square equal to k square. So given equation x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to k cos 2 theta. So x cos theta minus y sin theta minus k cos 2 theta equal to 0. So distance of this line from origin, and this is given as P. So P is the distance of line 1 from origin. This is according to question. So P is equal to mod 0 minus 0 minus k cos 2 theta by square root of cos square theta plus minus sin theta square is equal to k cos 2 theta by sin square theta cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So this is k cos 2 theta. Again, another equation of line is given x sec theta plus y cosec theta equal to k. We can write it as x by cos theta plus y by sin theta equal to k. So this can be written as x sin theta plus y cos theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. And this can be written as x sin theta plus y cos theta is equal to 1 by 2k into 2 sin theta into cos theta. So this is k by 2 sin 2 theta. Means we can write it as x sin theta plus y cos theta minus k by 2 sin 2 theta equal to 0. Say this line is 2. This line 2 from origin is given as, according to question, q. So q is the distance of second line from origin. So q is equal to mod 0 plus 0, when you put the value of x0, y0, 0 plus 0 minus k by 2 sin 2 theta by square root of sin square theta plus cos square theta. So we will get q is equal to k by 2 sin 2 theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now we have to show that p square plus 4q square equal to k square. So p square plus 4q square. P square is equal to k cos 2 theta. So k cos 2 theta whole square plus, and q is equal to k by 2 sin theta. So 4 into k by 2 sin 2 theta whole square is equal to k square cos square 2 theta plus 4 into k square by 4 sin square 2 theta. So k square, take k square common, cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta, because 4 cancel. So this is k square. So p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. Another problem, find the equation of line which is equidistant from the parallel line 3x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0 and 9x plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. So given lines three x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. And second line is, this is first line, second line is 9x plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. So take common 3. So 3x plus 2y minus 7 by 3 equal to 0. In line first and second, the coefficient of x and y are equal. So these two lines are parallel lines. Now we have to find, say these two lines are, say this is line 1 and this is line 2. We have to find the equation of this line which is equidistant. Means if this is D, then this is also D. We have to find equation of this line, means say this line third. We have to find equation of line third. So we can find it in many ways, but any equation is parallel to given equation of line, then we can write it as 3x plus 2y plus k equal to 0. Say this line is parallel to line 1. This line is parallel to line 1. Or you can say this is family of parallel lines, which is parallel to line 1. We have to find the value of this k. Since this line 3x plus 2y plus k equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. So we will get y is equal to minus k by 2. So say this point P, the coordinate of this point P is 0 minus k by 2. It means, according to question, it is given that this line is equidistant from line 1 and 2. So distance, this distance and this distance must be equal. And this is line 3x plus 2y plus 6, and this is line 9x plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. So according to question, this D1 and D2 are equal. D1 equal to D2. This implies 3 into 0 plus 2 into minus k by 2 plus 6 mod of all this divided by square root of 3 square plus 2 square is equal to mod, and we write this as again 3x plus 2y minus 7 by 3 equal to 0. So 3 into 0 plus 2 into minus k by 2 minus 7 by 3 by 3 square plus 2 square. So these two you can cancel it. So this implies minus k mod minus k plus 6 is equal to mod minus k minus 7 by 3. We can write it as k plus 7 by 3 mod. So minus k plus 6 is equal to plus minus k plus 7 by 3, implies minus k plus 6 equal to k plus 7 by 3 or minus k plus 6 equal to minus k minus 7 by 3, which is not possible. So this result is not valid result. So we can consider only one result. So this is minus 2k is equal to minus 6 plus 7 by 3. So minus 2k is equal to minus 18 plus 7 by 3. So this is minus 2k and minus 9 by 3, minus 11 by 3, minus 11 by 3, so minus minus cancel. So this is k is equal to 11 by 6. So k is equal to 11 by 6. So equation of line 3x plus 2y plus k equal to 0, it means 3x plus 2y plus 11 by 6 equal to 0, it means 18x plus 12y plus 11 equal to 0 will be the line which is equidistant from the given two lines. Now we have another example, that is, find the equation of straight line which are perpendicular to the line 12x plus 5y equal to 17 and a distance of 2 units from the point minus 4, 1. So given equation of line 12x plus 5y equal to 17. So equation of line perpendicular to line 1 is 5x minus 12y plus k equal to 0. According to question, say this is a line 5x minus 12y plus k equal to 0 and a point P minus 4, 1 is given, and the distance of this point P from this line is 2 units. So by using distance formula, mod 5 into minus 4 plus 12 into 1 plus k square root of 5 square plus 12 square equal to 2. This implies mod minus 20 plus 12 plus k by 169 equal to 2. So mod minus 8 plus k by 13 equal to 2. This implies mod minus 8 plus k equal to 26. So minus 8 plus k is equal to plus minus 26. So this implies k is equal to 8 plus minus 26. So k is equal to 34 and minus 18. So equation of required line will be 5x minus 12y plus 34 equal to 0, or 5x minus 12y minus 18 equal to 0. Now another example. In the triangle with vertex A 2 3 B 4 minus 1, so we have one triangle is given. A 2 3 B 4 minus 1 and C minus 1 2. Find the equation and length of altitude from vertex A. We have to find. So slope of BC is equal to 2 plus 1 by minus 1 and minus 4 is equal to minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. So slope of AN, since n is perpendicular to BC, so slope of AN is 5 by 3. So question is find the equation of altitude. So equation of AN is y minus 3 equal to 5 by 3 x minus 2. So implies 3y minus 9 equal to 5x minus 10. So 5x minus 3y and minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have to find the equation length of this altitude n. So equation of BC, so just consider one point, that is B4 4 minus 1. So y plus 1 equal to, and slope of BC is minus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 and x minus 4. So this is 5y plus 5 is equal to minus 3x plus 12 is equal to 3x plus 5y and minus 7 equal to 0. So an equal to mod 3 into 2 plus 5 into 3 minus 7 by square root of 3 square plus 5 square is equal to 6 plus 15, 21 minus 7, 14, mod 14 by 25 plus 9 square root of 34 is equal to 14 by square root of 34 units. So in this way we can find the length and equation of altitude of any triangle whose vertices are given. So, okay, now we shall discuss next concept in another session. Okay, thank you.